In today's episode of Daily AI Brief, we're diving deep into some of the most critical developments transforming the artificial intelligence landscape. From cybersecurity enhancements to financial innovations, these cutting edge advancements are paving the way for both groundbreaking solutions and complex challenges. Get ready to explore how AI is reshaping industries, impacting decision making, and offering new opportunities for developers and businesses alike. In a significant stride for AI driven cybersecurity, Microsoft has launched its latest AI model, AI Cyber 1 Flash. This cutting edge tool is engineered specifically for the M framework, showcasing an impressive benchmark performance with a score of 95.95% on CyberGym. What truly distinguishes this model is not just its high performance, but its remarkable cost effectiveness. It potentially halves the expenses of current leading models. Let's delve into the technical specifics. Integrated seamlessly into M a platform renowned for multi agent vulnerability detection, MAI Cyber 1 Flash utilizes an impressive deployment of over 100 automated agents to detect vulnerabilities in complex codebases. This sophisticated system operates with an enormous scale of 5 billion active parameters. Such a massive number of parameters enables the model to analyze, identify, and predict vulnerabilities with unprecedented precision and speed. Furthermore, the AI Cyber 1 Flash is designed with stringent enterprise-grade security controls, including role-based access management, encryption, and comprehensive auditability. These features ensure that only verified defenders can deploy the model, providing layers of protection against unauthorized access and maintaining regulatory compliance in diverse operational environments. Despite its promising availability, certain limitations exist. The long-term effectiveness of AI Cyber 1 Flash against emerging, novel cyber threats remains largely uncharted territory. Additionally, security professionals may express valid concerns regarding the reliance on autonomous agents for critical security decisions, which could present significant risks if not carefully monitored. Practically speaking, those interested in exploring this emerging technology can access a public preview expected to launch next week. By visiting Microsoft AI's platform, developers and cybersecurity experts can explore M-Dash's capabilities and obtain guidance on integrating the model through exhaustive API documentation. From an industry perspective, AI Cyber 1 Flash positions Microsoft as a formidable player in the competitive AI landscape. It promises not only substantial cost reductions, but also enhances threat detection and remediation capabilities significantly. For businesses prioritizing cybersecurity, staying attuned to these developments is crucial, as AI models like MAI Cyber 1 Flash could redefine enterprise security measures and shift industry standards towards more AI-driven solutions. Kimi AI and KV Cache AI have marked a pivotal moment in AI development by open-sourcing AgentENV, a platform crafted specifically for agentic reinforcement learning. This innovative platform uses firecracker micro-VMs to create isolated and efficient training environments, representing a significant advancement in AI training methodologies. At the heart of AgentENV is its use of firecracker micro-VMs for virtualization. These micro-VMs provide a lightweight yet secure method to isolate different training environments, allowing multiple agents to be trained simultaneously without interference. This is crucial in reinforcement learning, as it allows developers to train agents under controlled conditions, ensuring that results are accurate and reproducible. Moreover, the platform boasts a scalable architecture. Developers can train large-scale models like the 2.8 trillion parameter Kimi K3, facilitating rigorous testing and improvement of agentic models. The platform supports various reinforcement learning methodologies, making it versatile enough to accommodate different AI training needs. However, despite these advancements, some challenges remain. The platform's real-world performance metrics are not yet fully explored. Scalability potential is vast, but the exact limits, such as the number of concurrent agents or system resource limits, are not specified. To ensure the platform's practicality, it is critical that users conduct comprehensive benchmarking to validate its capabilities. Developers looking to dive into AgentENV can start by visiting the agentenv.github.io AgentENV UTM source OpenAI for in-depth setup instructions. By cloning the AgentENV GitHub repository, git clone github.com/kvcache AgentENV, users can access the latest updates and contribute to the codebase, fostering a vibrant development community. The platform's open-source nature encourages collaboration and innovation like never before seen in AI development. However, the journey to mainstream adoption may face hurdles, such as integration challenges with existing AI frameworks and potential biases in controlled environments, affecting learning outcomes. If widely adopted, AgentENV could revolutionize how AI agents are trained, speeding up development cycles and enhancing the quality of AI applications. It has the potential to set new industry standards for secure, scalable AI training environments and pave the way for a new era of collaborative AI research. This ecosystem, if nurtured properly, could lead to breakthroughs that extend beyond current anticipated applications. Tesla is making waves by transitioning from public cloud services to an entirely private AI infrastructure. This move reflects a broader strategic pivot aimed at enhancing cost control, operational efficiency, and most importantly, ensuring data security. Here's how Tesla is executing this shift. They've committed $1 billion solely in the first quarter of 2024 to bolster their AI capabilities. This financial commitment underscores their determination to build a robust and scalable infrastructure tailored specifically for their needs. With 35,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs currently in operation, and plans to expand this fleet to 85,000 by the end of the year, Tesla's investment highlights a significant scaling effort in computational power. This will allow them to handle complex AI workloads independently, reducing reliance on external cloud solutions that might not offer the same level of customization or security. Moreover, Tesla is developing custom AI chips, like the AI5 and AI6 models, which are designed to optimize performance further and integrate efficiently with their proprietary systems. This chip development is a testament to Tesla's pursuit of vertical integration, enabling the company to tailor its hardware precisely to the software needs and maximize performance gains. In parallel, the revival of the Dojo 3 supercomputer project is another cornerstone of their strategy. The Dojo system is intended to enhance AI training capabilities, possibly supporting trillions of parameters for neural networks that drive vehicle autonomy and other AI applications. This supercomputer's architecture focuses on AI optimization, potentially offering superior training speeds compared to traditional data centers. Tesla's ambition doesn't stop there. They aim to harness their extensive vehicle fleet as a distributed computing network, targeting a potential of 100 gigawatts of compute power. This innovative approach not only utilizes existing infrastructure, but also transforms every Tesla vehicle into a computing node, which could revolutionize how distributed AI workloads are conceptualized. However, the transition to a private AI infrastructure is not without its challenges. One major concern is achieving cost efficiency when managing such high-density GPU operations internally. Furthermore, the timeline for fully deploying this infrastructure remains uncertain, as it involves complex logistical and operational hurdles. There's also a risk of increased costs in developing and maintaining proprietary chips, which may not yield proportionate benefits if not managed effectively. For those interested in more detailed explorations of Tesla's technology, visiting Tesla's AI and robotics pages online or checking updates on the Dojo 3 supercomputer could provide deeper insights into their innovative solutions and methodologies. Tesla's decision to pivot towards a self-reliant AI infrastructure could set a new standard in the automotive industry, encouraging other companies to reconsider their dependence on traditional cloud services. This approach not only promises advancements in autonomous driving technology, but also offers a blueprint for data security and operational efficiency in AI operations across multiple sectors. OpenAI's release of open-weight models, GPT-OSS 120B and GPT-OSS 20B, represents a pivotal advance in the customization and transparency of AI technology. These models distinguish themselves from previous iterations by empowering developers to execute and modify them on private infrastructures, thereby granting them remarkable control over AI applications. This strategic shift encourages a broader engagement with AI, offering developers new possibilities for innovation and adaptability. The open-weight models are available under the Apache 2.0 license, which ensures that they can be freely modified and employed without incurring API costs or facing rate limits. This flexibility allows for broad deployment across diverse environments, facilitating more personalized AI solutions tailored to specific organizational needs. Furthermore, this licensing arrangement emphasizes privacy by supporting on-premises installations, crucial for sectors dealing with sensitive data, such as healthcare or finance. One critical addition to the open-weight ecosystem is OpenAI's introduction of GPT-OS Safeguard, a specially designed model focusing on policy-based safety classification tasks. This model aims to provide a layer of regulation around the usage of open-weight AI technologies, ensuring that the newfound openness doesn't lead to misuse or the propagation of harmful content. The inclusion of safeguards highlights OpenAI's commitment to safety, reinforcing the models with layers of precautionary measures that are crucial for maintaining ethical standards in AI deployment. Despite these advances, there are notable challenges. Users must self-manage setup and integration, as these models are not supported via OpenAI's API. For many, particularly those new to AI or with limited resources, this could pose a significant barrier, potentially hindering the broad adoption that OpenAI envisions. Yet, resources such as OpenAI's GitHub repositories offer extensive setup instructions and links to tools on platforms like Hugging Face, which assist developers in overcoming these hurdles by connecting them with community-driven solutions. From a broader perspective, the open-weight initiative could ignite a movement akin to the open-source revolution experienced in software development, where transparency and community collaboration drive innovation. As developers gain increased control over AI functionalities, tailored and innovative applications should become more prevalent, potentially reshaping sectors ranging from manufacturing to entertainment. Nevertheless, this evolution calls for robust regulatory frameworks to ensure safety and reliability. As open-weight models democratize AI access, the potential for misuse escalates, necessitating comprehensive global policies that harmonize innovation with ethical standards. Moreover, major tech players supporting open weights, such as NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Meta, advocate for regulatory clarity to manage these challenges effectively, underscoring the complex dynamics at play in the AI landscape. Ultimately, while open weights offer profound opportunities for progress, they also intensify ongoing debates about safety, accuracy, and control in AI development. Carefully balancing these considerations will dictate whether the open-weight movement solidifies AI as a universally accessible technology or remains a closely guarded domain of tech giants. LlamaParse has announced the launch of its Income Verification API, a groundbreaking tool designed to automate income verification for gig workers and non-traditional earners. This API is set to transform operational efficiencies in financial services by integrating advanced document processing techniques, thereby minimizing manual efforts and maximizing accuracy in financial assessments. The rise in gig economy workers presents unique challenges for income verification due to the often irregular and diverse nature of earnings. LlamaParse's API addresses these issues by employing state-of-the-art technologies, such as machine learning and natural language processing, to analyze and interpret diverse income documents seamlessly. It processes over 130 different file formats, ensuring that even complex documents are accurately transformed into machine-readable data. One of the critical benefits of this API is its ability to drastically reduce the time spent on manual verification, a process that traditionally involves substantial delays due to its labor-intensive nature. By automating these tasks, financial institutions can benefit from faster decision-making processes. This is particularly significant given that quicker loan approvals can greatly enhance customer satisfaction and potentially increase customer retention for banks and lenders. In practical terms, LlamaParse offers a free tier, allowing users to parse up to 3,300 pages per month, making it accessible for businesses wishing to experiment with its capabilities without a substantial upfront investment. Developers are encouraged to visit LlamaParse's official blog for detailed documentation on integration steps and API functionalities. Testing the API in a demo financial application can present insights into its performance in real-world scenarios. However, adopting such cutting-edge solutions is not without challenges. There are concerns about data security and privacy in automated systems, which must be rigorously tested and validated. Additionally, the market is becoming increasingly competitive with other players like nCino and Truework offering similar solutions. Therefore, LlamaParse must focus not only on technical excellence, but also on effective marketing strategies to establish its brand and maintain a competitive edge. Despite these potential challenges, the implications of successfully integrating LlamaParse's technology are substantial. Financial institutions that incorporate such automation can anticipate reduced operational costs and improved reliability in financial decision-making. Moreover, there is an opportunity for developers to customize the API to further align with specific business needs, enhancing its value proposition. Ultimately, while the current lack of extensive empirical evidence necessitates a cautious approach, the promise of LlamaParse's income verification API to revolutionize and set new standards for income verification cannot be understated. As the financial industry continues to embrace automation, those leveraging such advanced technologies may find themselves at the forefront of a rapidly evolving landscape. LlamaParse has officially launched its document automation solution, marking a significant shift in the mortgage industry. Designed to tackle the inefficiencies and high error rates inherent in manual document processing, this cutting-edge tool revolutionizes how mortgage documents are handled. At the heart of LlamaParse is the capability to convert static documents into structured, machine-readable data, greatly enhancing accuracy and operational efficiency. Mortgage documents, known for their complexity and variability, are simplified through the platform's integration of intelligent document processing (IDP) techniques. By leveraging machine learning, computer vision, and optical character recognition (OCR), LlamaParse ensures a robust and streamlined processing workflow. One of the standout features is its layout-aware parsing, which intelligently analyzes document layouts to enhance data extraction accuracy. This involves advanced parsing methods that dissect complex documents into structured text, ensuring that even the most intricate details are captured and interpreted correctly. Furthermore, validation orchestration maintains compliance by systematically verifying extracted data against regulatory standards, emphasizing data integrity. LlamaParse boasts compatibility with over 130 file formats, including PDFs, DocX, and even scanned images. This broad compatibility is crucial for lenders who deal with an array of document types and sources. The platform also offers various output formats, such as Markdown, plain text, JSON, and spatial text, providing flexibility for different integration needs. The platform's utility is enhanced with its tiered parsing options. These include fast, cost-effective, Agentic, and Agentic Plus tiers, allowing users to balance cost and accuracy according to their specific needs. For instance, the free tier offers 10,000 credits monthly, enabling the parsing of approximately 3,300 pages, an attractive proposition for small to medium-sized lending institutions looking to pilot the tool without significant upfront investment. However, the expansive capabilities of LlamaParse do not come without challenges. Performance can vary depending on document complexity, and integrating with existing legacy systems might present hurdles. Additionally, while LlamaParse offers substantial cost savings potential, the specifics of long-term financial impacts remain somewhat speculative. Practically, those interested in exploring LlamaParse's benefits should start by visiting the platform to evaluate the free tier's offerings. Integrating the LlamaParse API with existing systems enhances document parsing capabilities significantly. For implementation guidance, detailed instructions are available on the LlamaParse documentation, ht/llamaindex.ai/blog/mortgage document automation. In a rapidly advancing mortgage processing industry, LlamaParse's successful deployment could set a new standard in document handling, paving the way for reduced errors, decreased operational costs, and improved data handling efficiencies. As competitors like Freddie Mac move toward automated underwriting, the widespread adoption of LlamaParse could trigger an industry-wide evolution, changing the landscape of mortgage processing and beyond. The recent introduction of Agentic OCR technology brings a transformative edge to know your customer (KYC) compliance processes. As financial institutions grapple with intensifying regulatory demands, this technology steps in to enhance data integrity and streamline onboarding processes. By employing modular vision models, liveness assessments, and deepfake detection, Agentic OCR significantly refines KYC workflows, marking a pivotal leap from traditional, often cumbersome methods. A key technical feat of this system is its use of modular vision models, designed to meticulously process and verify documents in real time. This modularity enables financial institutions to quickly adapt to diverse document types, thus broadening the scope of seamless integration across various platforms. The inclusion of liveness assessments enhances real-time identity verification, thwarting common fraud tactics such as document manipulation or impersonation. Deepfake detection is another crucial component of Agentic OCR. As synthetic media become more sophisticated, the ability to detect and neutralize deepfakes equips financial institutions with an essential tool for maintaining compliance and trust. According to recent data, 88% of businesses plan to increase their AI budgets specifically to leverage these advancements, highlighting the urgency and importance of integrating Agentic OCR into compliance frameworks. The scalability of this technology is supported by a microservice architecture, offering the flexibility needed to efficiently manage real-time data. The policy-driven risk engine embedded within the system further bolsters its capability to perform compliance checks that align with evolving regulatory landscapes. However, the reliance on high-quality data is imperative. Poor data quality threatens to derail these advancements, possibly resulting in project failure rates exceeding 40%. This underscores the importance of robust data governance practices to maximize the technology's potential. Practically speaking, the implementation of Agentic OCR can drastically reduce onboarding times from prolonged weeks to just a few hours. For businesses, this means not only operational efficiency but also enhanced customer satisfaction and retention, an attractive proposition in a competitive financial landscape. The economic implications are significant, with reduced latency in KYC workflows generating unquantified yet promising cost efficiencies. Nonetheless, as with any technological integration, the transition to Agentic OCR isn't without its challenges. Financial institutions need to be vigilant of adversarial attacks that could compromise system integrity, and they must remain cognizant of potential shifts in regulatory requirements that could affect compliance strategies. Despite these challenges, the potential of Agentic OCR to transform KYC processes is undeniable, offering a promising look at the future of regulatory compliance in finance. Landgraf and Strands have announced an innovative integration to transform financial services with a multi-agent AI system. This pioneering framework merges Landgraf's expertise in workflow orchestration with Strands' proficiency in coordinating foundation models and specialized tools. It is designed to tackle the urgent challenges associated with financial data retrieval and compliance, as highlighted in the AWS machine learning blog. One of the key advantages of this integration is its ability to streamline decision-making in the rapidly evolving financial sector. By leveraging Landgraf's structured workflow orchestration, financial institutions can manage dynamic analysis flows with improved reliability across complex business processes. Each agent within the system can be tailored to meet specific financial service needs, enhancing adaptability to various operational requirements. Strands agents play a crucial role by facilitating robust interactions between foundational models and a suite of analytical tools. This coordination is vital for maintaining compliance across multiple regulatory landscapes. The integration includes the use of the MCP, multi-channel processing standard, which standardizes the connection to diverse financial systems, ensuring seamless integration and communication within varied technological environments. An essential feature of this multi-agent system is its support for real-time analysis and monitoring. This is especially significant given the industry's pressing need for rapid and accurate decision-making capabilities. The integration is also bolstered by Landgraf's support for human-in-the-loop controls and persistent memory, which allow for a continuous improvement loop in evolving financial scenarios. On the technical side, while specific performance metrics are not provided, the open source nature of this integration, authorized under an MIT license, promises a cost-effective implementation. It simultaneously opens avenues for customization, allowing development teams to craft bespoke solutions to address complex requirements unique to their financial environments. However, integrating such systems is not without challenges. There are inherent risks related to the complexity of coordinating multiple agents in real time. Scalability issues may arise, especially when adapting the framework to fit organizations operating in countries with diverse regulatory conditions. Additionally, the successful deployment of these agents may demand overcoming hurdles associated with legacy systems. For financial institutions, the integration represents a significant opportunity to improve compliance mechanisms, leading to long-term cost savings and efficiency enhancements. As institutions face growing pressure to innovate, the adoption of such advanced AI frameworks could not only enhance investor confidence, but also establish a new standard for data-driven financial compliance strategies. The study by Chiara Marcocha and colleagues sheds light on a critical psychological phenomenon, the overconfidence induced by AI-driven advice. Analyzing data from 3,132 participants, the researchers uncovered a paradoxical effect where reliance on AI reduced the willingness to acknowledge unknowns, while simultaneously inflating confidence without improving answer accuracy. In this experiment, participants answered challenging questions with the assistance of AI suggestions. Initially, the willingness to admit "I don't know" stood at a healthy 44%. However, when AI advice was introduced, this dropped dramatically to just 3%. Confidence levels, conversely, rose sharply from 30% to 76%. At the same time, accuracy, a crucial metric, deteriorated from 27% to a mere 9%. These numbers reveal that AI advice, rather than clarifying, often obscures the user's self-assessment capabilities. To understand these effects, Marcocha's team employed a controlled experimental design. They meticulously separated influences from AI advice and measured both subjective experiences of confidence and objective performance metrics. This approach allowed them to isolate the overbearing influence AI advice has on a person's psychological willingness to critically engage with information. This discrepancy between confidence and accuracy raises alarm bells about the cognitive biases AI might introduce. The overconfidence effect, a well-documented bias, can lead individuals to overestimate their abilities and, as a result, make less informed decisions. In practical terms, when individuals receive AI advice, the perceived authority of AI can lead them to bypass their own critical evaluation processes, placing unmerited trust in automated guidance, regardless of its validity. Practically, the implications of these findings are profound, especially for sectors heavily reliant on AI, such as education and corporate decision-making. Educators and managers should be aware that while AI systems can provide valuable insights, they might simultaneously undermine the development of key cognitive skills like critical thinking and problem-solving. Hence, integrating AI into these environments must be done with caution. Organizations should focus on developing frameworks and guidelines that promote a balanced approach to AI advice. This includes encouraging skepticism and reinforcing the value of critical assessment. Training programs integrating AI advice into curricula must include components that teach users to question AI outputs actively and understand the limits of algorithmic suggestions. Going forward, designing AI systems that encourage users to question AI outputs could mitigate these adverse effects. Creating prompts that remind users to verify AI suggestions independently can help maintain a healthy balance between human intuition and machine intelligence. By acknowledging the potential pitfalls highlighted by the study, developers and users alike can foster environments where AI complements rather than compromises human judgment. Ultimately, understanding how AI influences confidence and decision-making is crucial. As AI systems evolve, the onus will be on developers, educators, and users to cultivate a culture of careful reflection and informed trust, ensuring AI serves as a tool for enhancement rather than a crutch that impedes intellectual growth. Thank you for tuning in to Daily AI Brief. We hope today's insights have sparked new ideas and considerations for leveraging AI in your own projects. Remember to stay curious and ethical as you explore the vast potential of artificial intelligence. Until next time.